Your building is a complex system of assets, tech, and people. But deferring its care is a bill that comes back 7 times larger. This isn't a small problem. Downtime can cost $260,000 per hour. This reactive firefighting mode is 4 times more expensive than planning. Now we'll show you how to turn maintenance into a powerful value engine. First, understand this. Proactive maintenance is an investment, not an expense. Every dollar spent can add $5 to your property's value. This value comes from extending equipment life. An HVAC system can run for 20 years instead of 12 with proper care. So your assets last longer and your property is worth more. But what about day-to-day operational costs? Well-maintained equipment runs efficiently, cutting HVAC energy use by up to 20%. Fewer breakdowns mean fewer disruptions, so your operations run smoothly without constant chaos. Planned maintenance means predictable costs. You can budget accurately, ending the shock of sudden failures. This sounds great, but it depends on one thing. How do you possibly know what's about to fail before it happens? The answer is modern technology. IoT sensors act as a nervous system for your building, monitoring equipment health, vibration, temperature, energy use. This data feeds AI systems that learn your equipment's unique signature. They detect tiny changes that signal a future breakdown weeks in advance. This is a proven strategy. Facilities using predictive maintenance can reduce equipment breakdowns by an astounding 70%. All this intelligence is organized by a CMMS. This software is your central hub for scheduling work, tracking assets, and making data-driven decisions. This system turns maintenance from a guessing game into a science. But what does this feel like for the people inside your building? For tenants and employees, the difference is profound. It's an HVAC that works in a heat wave versus one that fails. It's finding a hidden leak before it causes a mold disaster. It's fixing a cracked walkway before it becomes a lawsuit. These are not minor details. Poor maintenance is the biggest cause of tenant dissatisfaction, driving 68% of all complaints. And here's the bottom line. Satisfied occupants are far more likely to renew leases. Proactive care means lower turnover and stable revenue. We've covered finance, operations, and tenants. But the effects of a well-maintained facility go deeper into unexpected areas. Think about the psychological effect. A neglected space with flickering lights or stained ceilings subtly increases anxiety and stress. In contrast, a clean, quiet, and properly maintained space fosters a sense of safety, calm, and focus for work or learning. This sense of quality directly reflects on your brand. Your building is a physical statement of your professionalism. Visible neglect erodes trust. And finally, there is the serious issue of risk and compliance. Deferred maintenance is a legal gamble, with consequences from huge fines to shutdowns. So how does all this connect? How does technology prevent downtime, improve well-being, and protect your brand at once? Remember our question, how do you see problems before they happen? The answer, predictive technology, is the thread that ties everything together. That 70% drop in equipment breakdowns we mentioned, that is how you prevent the $260,000 per hour downtime cost from the start. That same data-driven plan prevents the exact issues behind 68% of tenant complaints. You're not just fixing a machine, you are securing renewals. This is the power of a modern method. Efficient operations increase asset value, which improves the occupant experience, strengthening your finances and brand. Proactive facility maintenance is not an operational tactic. It is a core business strategy, your defense against rising costs and reputational damage. It protects your assets, lowers your operating expenses, ensures safety and compliance, and keeps tenants and employees satisfied. The choice is simple. Manage a building that is a constant source of problems, or lead a facility that is a durable and valuable asset. Stop fighting fires. Start building value. It is time to shift your facility maintenance from reactive to proactive.